If you want to customize folders on home screen on the Motorola Edge 70 Pro, the first thing that you can do is you can make a folder bigger. So if you press and hold your finger on a folder, then here we have the big folder option, and then you will go into switch from 1x1 size to 2x2. Now the difference between these sizes is that in the case of 1x1 folder, if you want to open an app, you have to tap on the folder to open it, and then you can open any app from that folder. In the case of 2x2 folder, any app that has this bigger icon can be opened immediately. So this definitely saves a lot of space, because in the space of 2x2 size, we can put, I believe, up to like 8 apps that can be opened immediately. I'm gonna include some more apps in here just to verify that. There we go, yeah, so we have 8 apps in total, and all of these 8 apps can be opened pretty much immediately if I just tap on them. Every other app, so like 9th app in the folder and onwards, I actually have to tap on the folder to open it again. But still, it saves a lot of space. What you can also do is if you open a folder, then you can tap on the folder name in order to, of course, change its name. And of course, we can shrink the folder back again into its small size as well. And that's literally all that we have available on Motorola Edge 70 Pro in the case of folder customizations. Unfortunately, not much going on, but at least we can make bigger folders now, so we can save a bit of space on the home screen. Leave a like and subscribe.